Hi friends, welcome to my channel Stock Funda, and today we are talking about Olectra Green Tech. Olectra Green Tech is the number one company in India still now, and this is the number one company. If you see the Tata and Ashok Leyland, I find out that right now electric vehicle segment this is number one company, and this company is going to be in next two segments in electric buses along with electric truck and electric three wheelers. So this bus is going to be multi-bagger for 2021 to 2025. In this 4 years, we are going to see this company is going to be multi-bagger, and let's see why this company is going to multi-bagger. So we are on the now fundamentals about this company. If you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe my video, and you will get the next video on your direct inbox. So let's start it. So we are on the page. The news came out. It is Olectra Green Tech to set up India's biggest electric bus factory with 10,000 unit capacity. So this is the news on 10th of December. You can see here Olectra Green Tech, India's largest manufacturer of electric buses, is setting up the country's biggest electric bus factory with a capacity of 10,000 units. So 10,000 unit is a huge unit. If you see, there is no one company is going to manufacture this kind of numbers in India. If you compare to Ashok Leyland or Tata, still this is the number one company is going to be start a manufacturing hub in Hyderabad, and we'll talk about this company, why this company is going to be grow like multi-bagger, because this company started investment with this 600 crore, and this is very small company, small cap company, Vector Green Tech. The new facility is spread over 150 acre apart. Apart from Olectra buses, Olectra Green Tech will also produce electric three-wheelers. So after electric buses, the three-wheeler segment, it is going to be more profitable for this company. Along with these trucks also, you see these trucks and three-wheelers. These companies initially making buses, but now this company is going to be in three-wheeler and trucks segment. So three type of manufacturing will be definitely boost this company profit ratios and all, and we'll talk about something else like the new segment of the company diversifying into said top executive. The company will be eligible incentive under the central government PLI scheme, production link incentive scheme. It means the government is giving benefit the states or someone if want to buy these electric buses, the company will the government is going to be give some advantage, give them this PLI scheme uh, benefits to the owners. Suppose the bus cost is around 50 lakhs, so 50 lakh buses cost is there, and the government is going to be give some discount if you want to purchase this electric buses. So there will be that huge discount like 10 to 15%. So if the bus cost is around 50 lakhs, if you see the 15% or 10%, so you will get the discount of like out of 50 lakhs you will get discounts of 5 lakhs. So it is a huge discount because government want to reduce the air pollution. So because of this company government is going to give this benefit. Government want these electric buses, electric vehicles should come to the market as petrol and diesel price are very high. So the cost of traveling and uh, cost of taking goods here and there, it is going to be very expensive. So once we come to this electric segment, so our cost will be less, and we will not depend on petrol and sorry, diesel. So I think this company is going to be a large cap in next 2 3 4 years. Olectra Green Tech. This company has tie-up with the China's BYD. If you heard BYD, so you know this company is number one in world. Yes, number one in world. Tesla is nothing in front of BYD, because BYD is making buses, electric vehicles, uh, electric buses, electric cars, with the joint venture with the different countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Europe, in America also. So these companies are huge, and dependency on BYD is not an issue, because they are number one in the world and they can deliver whatever they want. So at present, the company is having order of 2,000 electric buses, and this cost is around 3,000 to 3,500 crore. This is the order for 12 to 18 months. They have to clear this order in 12 to 18 months. After that, they will make a plan to uh, make a plan to go to Hyderabad with the 150 acres. In this 150 acres, they will uh, they will increase their production, and increase of production means increase of profit. Increase of profit means increase of share value. Increase of share value means increase of our profit. What we invest in this Olectra will get the more profit. As we see, the company is going to give a huge benefit, and companies making the huge profit, company will make huge profit, so we'll get the huge profit in the share value also. So Olectra, you know why Olectra is the market leader in share with 35 to 40% at present. So 35 to 40% Indian economy, India has a huge demand of buses. So each and every company now is going for electric. Petrol and diesel, governments are avoiding. At present, these electric buses are buying by the state's government to reduce the pollution, and reduce dependency of petrol and diesel. So at present, I think the Tata is there, Ashok Leyland is there, but these company are not big enough. So we have huge demand, and electric buses are making at very low volume. It means we have demand of 10,000, 50,000 buses at a time, but we are making only 2,000, 3,000 buses at a time. Like Olectra is making like 2,000 to 3,000 buses only in a year. Suppose we have demand of 10,000 buses, so the demand is huge, and the capacity of these companies are very less. Even Tata is cannot fulfill the demand run by government and other states. And the price also, if you compare the price, Olectra is giving the better price compared to Tata and Ashok Leyland, because Olectra is joint venture with BYD. So BYD is going to be help Olectra. Olectra will be number one company in future. In future, definitely. And let's see the price. What price is going on right now? Olectra price is right now at 779, and it has touched around 888. In a 1 month, it has given only 3.60%. And if you go for 6 months, you see the price, it was around 237 on 22nd July, 7 July 248. It has come to 828. Then the price is in consolidation period. This price is not going up and not going down. It means there is a huge discount is going on at present. See, whenever the company shares going high, whenever the company share going high, see it is going high, then it is in on the rest mode. It's like rest mode. The consolidation period is going rest mode. and 1 month it is showing that this is price is, and this segment, this price is around 850 to 750 only. So this is the latest news I'm telling you. The price what you are seeing on this screen, it is 779. You will not the price, you cannot find the price on tomorrow. By tomorrow, tomorrow is 30th 13 of December 2021. You will see upper circuit on this price. You will not find the same price. Today's price is 779. Tomorrow you will see around 900 this price around, because this latest news is very big for this company. So in this company you have to invest for long term, and I think uh, this is going very huge in future, as this is the number one company in India. Olectra is going to make you multi-bagger, multi-bagger very soon. Believe me or not, watch out this video and keep an eye on Olectra Green Tech. Don't buy. If you have money, you can buy. If you don't have money, don't buy. Just keep this Olectra on your portfolio, just to see that this company is going big or no. If you like this channel, please subscribe my video, and you will find my next videos on your direct inbox. Thank you very much. Thank you.